In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to the Amazon Affiliate Program. You can promote products like this one and get your unique link, which looks something like this. Then when people click on this and buy, you will then earn commissions on Amazon. I'm going to run you through everything that you need to do in this video step by step, so let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and go over to the Amazon Associates page so you can sign up. Now, the best and easiest way to do that is just go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. And it should be the first one or the second that comes up here. Click on it. Once you're on this page here, you want to then go ahead and click Sign Up. Here we can enter some information and get signed up. Here you can see you're creating your Amazon Associates account. You need to give Amazon 4 types of information here. The first bit of information is very easy. Just enter in your name and your address, and enter in a valid phone number. And you can then scroll down and click Next. Once you've done all of that, next, you need to give Amazon links to your social medias or a website. What you want to do is enter in your websites here. I'm going to link my YouTube channel for this video. You can add your website, you can add YouTube channels, you can add any social media accounts, if they have a little bit of a following and have some content. Now I've done that, I'm now going to click on Next. It's going to ask you if any other traffic sources are directed at children under 13. I'm going to click No. Then Confirm. Now the next step is to enter in your preferred associate store ID. This is going to be the ID which is attached to your Amazon links. This doesn't really matter, but it's just going to be in your links, so you might as well choose something that looks good. I'm just going to type in here something related to my channel, because that's what my channel is called. Then tell us about the content you create. I create how-to tutorials. This channel here is a tech channel, or you can write anything. Now we can go ahead and scroll down which of the following best describes your content. I'm going to then click on Search. How did you hear about us? You would put here online search or any of the following options. And then you need to type in this CAPTCHA. Agree to the terms and then click Finish. Now it says, Congrats! Thank you for applying. Here's your Associates ID. You'll have full access to the Amazon Associates program, but they are going to look at your application and approve you or deny you. Based on your application, it says here, if you've not got any sales in 180 days, your application and account will be withdrawn. Right now, I'm just going to click on Later because I can do that later another time. Now we're inside of the Amazon Associates program. Now we can go ahead and grab our links. Now, the first thing that I would recommend you do is go to Tools and then go to SiteStripe. Then just go to Learn More. If you scroll down here, just make sure that SiteStripe is enabled. That way, when you go to Amazon, you'll see this gray bar. You wouldn't have seen this before if you didn't already have an Amazon Associates account. Now you can go to Amazon and you can search for anything. Then if we go to the Amazon Associates site Stripe banner up here, we can then get a link. I would just recommend you use a short link. Then this link here, you can copy and paste and put it on your YouTube channel or your blog content or your social media. If people were to buy after clicking on your link, you would then earn a commission. I hope that video was helpful for you. If the video helped you in any way, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos.